Hey friends, welcome back to Next Level English. Today, we're taking on a fun grammar challenge, 30 MCQs where you have to spot the right answer. Think you can get them all? Let's dive right in. 1. Choose the correct sentence. She doesn't like chocolate. Tips: use does in 4 third-person singular verbs. 2. Which sentence is correct? He can sing well. Tips: after can, use the base form of the verb. 3. Choose the correct sentence. She is going to the market. Tips: use his 4 third-person singular subjects. 4. Which sentence is correct? They have eaten already. Tips: use the present perfect tense for actions completed recently. 5. Choose the correct option. They are my friends. Tips: use are with plural subjects. 6. Which sentence is grammatically correct? The children play in the park. Tips: for plural subjects, use the base form of the verb. 7. Select the right option. I will go to the store. Tips: after will, use the base form of the verb. 8. Which of these is correct? She can drive. Tips: can is followed by the base verb. 9. Choose the correct answer. I would go if I could. Tips: would is followed by the base verb. 10. Which sentence is correct? They are eating lunch now. Tips: use the present continuous tense for actions happening now. 11. Choose the correct form. I was working when he called. Tips: use the past continuous for actions happening at a specific past moment. 12. Select the grammatically correct sentence. She was very happy because she had passed the test. Tips: use past perfect for an action completed before another past event. 13. Which is correct? He has been to Paris. Tips: use has 4 third-person singular subjects in present perfect. 14. Identify the correct sentence. She is studying English. Tips: use is 4 third-person singular in present continuous. 15th. Choose the correct form of the verb. I don't understand. Tips: don't is used with the base form of the verb. 16. Which of the following is correct? He was singing a song. Tips: use the past continuous tense for actions happening at a specific past time. 17. Choose the right sentence. She likes going to the movies. Tips: use likes with third-person singular subjects. 18. Select the grammatically correct option. He doesn't run fast. Tips: use doesn't for third-person singular subjects in negative sentences. 19. Which sentence is correct? I haven't seen her yet. Tips: use present perfect for actions that have relevance to the present. 20. Choose the right option. I have been studying for 2 hours. Tips: use present perfect continuous for actions that started in the past and continue now. 21. Select the correct option. She has already done her homework. Tips: use has for third-person singular subjects in present perfect. 22. Choose the correct answer. They don't like pizza. Tips: use don't with plural subjects and base verb. 23. Choose the correct sentence. She doesn't like ice cream. Tips: use doesn't for does not and no s with like after doesn't. 24. Select the correct form of the verb. I have been waiting for an hour. Tips: have is used with I in the present perfect continuous tense. 25. Choose the correct form of the adjective. This is the funniest movie I've seen. Tips: funniest is the superlative form and needs the before it. 26. Choose the correct preposition. She is good at cooking. Tips: good at is the correct preposition for expressing skill or talent. 27. Choose the correct form of the verb. She can sing very well. Tips: after can, the base form of the verb is used without s. 28. Identify the correct sentence. I have eaten breakfast already. Tips: eaten is the past participle form of eat used with have. 29. Choose the correct form of the word. She is a better singer than me. Tips, then is the correct word for comparisons, not then. 30. Select the correct sentence. He didn't go to the party. Tips, didn't is followed by the base form of the verb. How many did you nail? Share your score in the comments, hit that like button, and subscribe for more fun English quizzes. Keep learning and keep shining. Catch you in the next video.